What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to accept payments with Lemon Squeezy. The first step of course is to create your store and business details. To do this you need to register your merchant account on Lemon Squeezy and configure your business parameters. You can do this by connecting your bank payout details and business registration info. Of course you also want to enable automated tax calculation and compliance handling. For step 2 you need to define your product and pricing. Choose the product type, whether it's software, digital download, or subscription, and configure the pricing tiers, whether you have free trials or recurring bill cycles or both. For step 3, you need to pick how customers pay. You have shareable checkout links, overlay model, or embedded checkout options. These options will be available on the screen for you to choose and initialize. You can also configure your webhooks. If you're building an SES or a custom web page, go to Settings and then select Webhooks in your Lemon Squeezy dashboard. Set up your webhook endpoint on your server to listen for key events like order created, subscription created, or subscription cancelled, so your server automatically grants or revokes user access. After all of this is done, it will be a great idea to test and go live. You can enable test mode by toggling the test mode on your dashboard to initiate a sandbox testing without real charges. Then of course you want to complete a dummy purchase. Use the Lemon Squeezy's text credit card numbers to verify automated email receipts, file downloads, and server webhooks to see if they're all working. And once this is done, you can now confidently go live, and once verified, turn off test mode to start accepting real transactions globally. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to accept payment with Lemon Squeezy.